Okay, this is a first run. You can hear the pumps running to the southwest in the valley over there, and you can see the water. I mean, they have flooded this entire west side of County 110. You can see the water all the way up north of that last clump of bushes where the entry gate is there. So this whole area is just completely waterlogged. And then if we go, oh, isn't it just gorgeous though, hey? If we look to the east, we have now an expansive pooling of water. And yep, it's man, this could be a danger for snowmobilers who come through here, because you can see snowmobile tracks here coming in, and I mean, holy crap, I don't know if they'd shit. Whoa. That could be ugly if you're not expecting it at night. Wow. Yeah, so you can see the water pooling, and then it's going down to that tree line right there. And then you can kind of see a little bit of the shadowing just right through there. And it goes into this tree line here. Yep, the lake is back.